Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hi! Yes, welcome! Today's topic is very useful for real life. We're talking about easy English for grocery shopping. That's right. We all need to buy food, right? Fruits, vegetables, milk, bread. We go to the grocery store all the time. And sometimes we need to speak English there. Maybe you travel, maybe you live in another country, or maybe you shop at a store where people speak English. So today, we will help you feel more confident. We will learn simple, useful sentences. Very easy, very practical. And don't forget, if you enjoy learning with us, please like and follow the podcast. It helps us a lot. Okay, let's start with a simple question for you. Are you ready? Here it is. What do you buy at the grocery store? Milk? Rice? Fruit? Think about your answer. Say it out loud if you can. Great! Let's begin.
Where can I find... First phrase. Very important. Listen. Where can I find milk? Listen again. When can I find milk? This question helps you ask for location. You don't know where something is, so you ask. Yes, you can use it for anything in the store. For example, where can I find apples? Where can I find bread? Where can I find eggs? Very good. Simple pattern. Where can I find plus item. Let's try a short conversation. Okay. Excuse me, where can I find rice? It's in aisle 5. Thank you. You're welcome. Nice and easy. Let's do one more. Sure. Where can I find bananas? They are over there, near the fruit section. Great. Now let's make it personal. When I go shopping, I often say, where can I find yogurt? Oh, nice. I usually ask, where can I find coffee? Good job. Now you try. Say it. Where can I find... and add your item. Say it again. One more time. You're doing great.
How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? We use this to ask the price of one item. Yes, very common in stores. For example, how much is this apple? How much is this bread? How much is this bottle of water? Let's try a mini conversation. Okay. How much is this? It's $2. Oh, okay, thank you. You're welcome. Another one. Go ahead. How much is this milk? It's $3. That's great. Now personal examples. I often ask, how much is this cheese? I ask, how much is this chocolate? Nice. Now your turn. Say it. How much is this? Again. Good job. Do you have? Third phrase, very important. Listen. Do you have eggs? Listen again. Do you have eggs? We use this when we want to know if the store has something. Yes, maybe you don't see it, so you ask. Examples. Do you have rice? Do you have fresh milk? Do you have green tea? Let's do a mini conversation. Excuse me, do you have bread? Yes, we do. It's over there. Thank you. No problem. Another one. Okay. Do you have strawberries? sorry, we don't have them today. Oh, okay. That's very natural. Personal examples now. I often ask, do you have almond milk? I ask, do you have fresh vegetables? Great. Now repeat. Do you have? Again? You're improving already. Yes. Listen carefully. Excuse me, where can I find apples? They are in the fruit section. Thank you. Oh, and how much is this apple? It's $1. Okay, and do you have bananas? Yes, we do. They are next to the apples. Great. Thank you so much. You're welcome. That's a real situation. Very useful. Common mistakes. Let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake 1. Where I find milk. Not correct. Missing words. Correct sentence. Where can I find milk? Repeat it. Good. Mistake 2. How much this? Not complete. Correct. How much is this? Say it again. Mistake 3. You have eggs? It's understandable, but not correct for beginners. Better, do you have eggs? Repeat. Great job. Today we learned 3 key phrases. Number 1, where can I find? Number 2, how much is this? Number 3, do you have? These are simple but very powerful. Use them in real life. Practice when you shop. You're doing amazing. Keep going. Before we finish, here's a question for you. What do you usually buy at the grocery store? Tell us your answer. We'd love to hear from you. Welcome back. That's great. You're continuing with us. Yes, good job. You're building a strong habit. Let's keep going with more useful English for grocery shopping. In part 2, we will learn new phrases. Very practical, very easy. Ready? Let's go. Phrase 4. I'd like. Listen. I'd like 2 apples. Listen again. I'd like 2 apples. I'd like means I want, but it is more polite. Yes, very polite. Very natural in stores. Examples. I'd like 1 loaf of bread. I'd like a bottle of water. I'd like 3 bananas. Let's try a mini conversation. Hello, I'd like 2 apples, please. Sure, anything else? Yes, I'd like some milk. Of course. Nice. Another one. Go ahead. I'd like 1 sandwich. Okay, that will be $5. Thank you. Personal examples now. I often say, I'd like a cup of coffee. I say, I'd like some fresh juice. Your turn. Say it. I'd like. Again. That's great. Anything else? Next phrase. Listen. Anything else? Listen again. Anything else? This is a question. The cashier or staff asks you this. It means, do you want more items? Examples in context. Here is your bread. Anything else? You have milk. Anything else? That's all? Anything else? Mini conversation time. Let's do it. I'd like 2 apples, please. Here you go. Anything else? Yes, I'd like some eggs. Sure. Another one. Okay. I'd like a bottle of water. Here you are. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Perfect. Personal example. When I shop, I hear this all the time. Anything else? Me too. And I say, no, that's all. Now repeat. Anything else? Again. Good job. That's all. Now the answer. Listen. That's all. Listen again. That's all. This means I don't want more things. Simple and useful. Examples. That's all. Thank you. No, that's all. That's all for today. Mini conversation. Anything else? No, that's all. Okay, thank you. Another one. Would you like more? No, that's all. Thanks. Personal examples. I always say, that's all, at the checkout. Me too. Very easy. Your turn. Repeat it. That's all. Again. You're doing really well.
Real-life practice conversation. Longer. Now let's combine everything from part 1 and part 2. Listen to this full conversation. Excuse me, where can I find milk? It's in aisle 3. Thank you. Oh, how much is this milk? It's $2. Great. I'd like 1 bottle, please. Sure. Anything else? Yes. Do you have bread? Yes, we do. It's over there. Okay. I'd like 1 loaf of bread. Here you go. Anything else? No, that's all. Perfect. That will be $5. Thank you. You're welcome. That's a real shopping situation. Very natural. Common mistakes. Let's fix some mistakes. Mistake 1. I like 2 apples when ordering. It's not wrong, but not polite for shopping. Better? I'd like 2 apples. Repeat it. Mistake 2. Anything more? People may understand, but it's not common. Better? Anything else? Say it again. Mistake 3. No more. Not natural in this situation. Better? That's all. Repeat. Great job. Wrap up. Today we learned 3 more phrases. I'd like. Anything else? That's all. Now you can ask, answer, and shop in English. You're improving already. Keep practicing. Final question for you. Do you say, I'd like, when you shop? Tell us your answer. Ready for more practice? Say, okay, and we'll continue to part 3. Welcome back again. You're doing amazing. Really, good job. Yes, you stayed with us through part 1 and part 2. That's great. You're improving already. In part 3, we will go a little deeper. More real-life situations. More useful phrases. Don't worry. Still easy, still simple English. Let's go. Phrase 7. Can I pay by card? Listen. Can I pay by card? Listen again. Can I pay by card? This means you want to use a credit card or debit card. Yes, very common today. Examples. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by cash? Can I pay with my card? Mini conversation. Here we go. That will be $10. Okay, can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Thank you. Another one. Sure. Can I pay by card? Sorry, cash only. Oh, okay. Personal examples. I always ask, can I pay by card? Me too. Very useful. Your turn. Say it. Can I pay by card? Again. Nice work. Do you need a bag? Next phrase. Listen. Do you need a bag? Listen again. Do you need a bag? This is a question from the cashier. Yes, they ask if you want a bag. Examples. Do you need a bag? Would you like a bag? Do you want a bag? Mini conversation. Here are your items. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Okay. Another one. Do you need a bag? No, thank you. Great. Personal examples. I say, no, thank you. I have a bag. I say, yes, please. Your turn. Repeat. Do you need a bag? Again. Good job. Can I have a receipt? Last phrase. Listen. Can I have a receipt? Listen again. Can I have a receipt? A receipt is the paper with your payment details. Yes, very useful if you need to return something. Examples. Can I have a receipt?
Here is your receipt. Do you need a receipt? Mini conversation. That will be $5. Here you go. Thank you. Can I have a receipt? Of course. Another one. Do you need a receipt? Yes, please. Here it is. Personal examples. I often say, can I have a receipt? Me too. Your turn. Repeat it. Again. You're doing great.
Excuse me, where can I find eggs?
They are in aisle 2.
Thank you. Oh, how much is this milk?
It's $2.
Great. I'd like 1 milk and some bread.
Sure. Anything else?
Do you have apples?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'd like 2 apples.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt?
Of course. Here you go. Do you need a bag?
No, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That's real English. You can use this today. Common mistakes. Let's fix a few more mistakes. Mistake 1. I pay by card? Not correct question form. Correct? Can I pay by card? Repeat. Mistake 2. You need bag? Missing words. Correct? Do you need a bag? Say it again. Mistake 3. Give me receipt. Too direct, not polite. Better? Can I have a receipt? Repeat. Excellent.
Final wrap-up. Wow, you did it! You finished all parts. Let's review quickly. Where can I find... How much is this? Do you have... I'd like... Anything else? That's all. Can I pay by card? Do you need a bag? Can I have a receipt? These are powerful, real-life English phrases. You can now shop in English with confidence. Keep practicing. Speak out loud. Use these sentences in real life. You're doing great. Really. Final question for you. Will you try speaking English next time you go shopping? Tell us your answer. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.